Hi everyone, this is a quick video on how to create a block quote, and also I'm going to show you how to do the hanging indent for your works cited page on the next page. So you'll notice as you're reading along, this is a quote and it's too long. And notice on our eyes, I think this is why MLA style has us do this. It's really hard to tell that it is a quote. So I've added these quotation marks. I'm going to take them off because I added them. And so the text will be exactly like the original. I'm going to hit enter or return on the keyboard. Now I need to get all of this text to move over a ½ inch. And the way that I'm going to do that, and make sure when you type this that just like anywhere in your paper, you're letting it just fall to the next line. I'm going to come up here to the toolbar, and if you don't see it, you might see 3 little dots and you'll click on it. And notice that there's this these 2 little ones that have like lines in them and they have arrows, and I want all of that text to go over to the right. So I'm going to click on that, and if it didn't work for all of it, I can actually highlight all of this text and do that. The period for the block quote is going to be just like the original, so it is different than the regular quote. And then if I have such a long quote, I need to make sure that I talk about it. So what I want to do here is once I hit return, you'll notice I'm in the wrong place because I want to be in the same paragraph. So then I'm just going to come back up and click on this, and I can start typing again and finish my paragraph here. At the end of my paper, I'm going to have a works cited page, and it needs to be on its own. It needs to be on its own page. And if I fix anything up here, it might make it change to the wrong place on the page. So the best thing to do is to come up here and click on File, and then I'm going to click on Break. Edit that. Don't click on File, click on Insert, so an Insert menu, and then you'll click on Break, and you want to click on Page Break. All right, and I have some text that I've already typed. I'm going to paste that. And so I want to type works cited here, and I need it to be in the center. So I'm going to come up here to the toolbar and change it to center, and I'm going to type work. Oops, I want both of those words to be capitalized. Notice we're not works cited because I'm really only citing one. If I have 2, it would be works cited if I have 2 or more. Now notice once I typed these that this second line needs to be indented, so it's the opposite. So what I'm going to do is, you can set this ahead of time. I'm going to come here and highlight this, and I'm going to come up here to the toolbar, and I'm going to grab that bottom one, and it might look just slightly different in Word, but it's really almost the same. And I'm going to come over a ½ inch, and then I'm going to grab that top little rectangular thing and put it back to the margin where it was. And then I have my hanging indent because that's what it looks like. Notice this one is if you used the electronic version that I provided for you, the PDF, this is the correct one. Notice et al is the Latin for everybody else, and this is what it's requiring if you have 3 authors or more. So again, hanging indent and block quote, how to do it.